Hi, this is Brian Wicklund with Garfinkel Schwartz. I'm in the Maitland, Florida office today. We also have offices in Cocoa Beach, Florida. But I travel all across the country wherever the clients may be. That's just part of the business that I'm in. We pride ourselves on traveling and going to wherever the client is and being there in person for depositions and litigation and things like that, so that the client is comfortable that they know who their lawyer is, they met them in person. I just met a gentleman in Buffalo, New York, and I'm back in town now. And just as I came in, my paralegal Doreen, who's sitting here with me, brought up a situation that she thought that's not really legal in nature, but it's something that has to do with our phones. Our phones are on 24 hours, and I thought Doreen might be able to better explain how she forwards our phones and access that we have that you would have to our cell phones and things like that. So why don't you take it away, Doreen?
All right, when you first call the 800 number during normal business hours, it is of course answered by myself, but then at night the calls do get forwarded to a answering service which is on 24/7, and Brian and I both get contacted via email from the answering service to make us aware of your call that came into the office after hours, and if need be, Brian or myself could contact you almost immediately to respond to your call. So there's someone always available to speak to you. If you call the 800 number, you can leave a message with our answering service and just be assured that someone will get back to you within 24 hours, I would say.
Sure. And just to add to that, the answering service, they're very professional people. Please just bear with them. I mean, they go through a litany, ask you about your email address and just a short little something about what's going on with you. Please don't hesitate. That's confidential as well. Don't hesitate to let them fill in the blanks, because when we get alerted automatically as soon as you hang up the phone, the more information that we have, the better it is for us, so that we can properly analyze and figure out what we're going to say and be more prepared for your phone call the next day or maybe that night. And just bear with them, because they do ask, a bunch of background questions. Also understand that they're not lawyers and they can't help you right away. So it's important to give them enough information for us to email you and to set up a phone conference with you. What we like to do is have Doreen screen your claim and ask you some questions about it, and then set a time certain. We think that helps the most. Setting a time certain on my calendar and that's convenient for you, so that when I come in each day, I have a set time that I'm going to be calling potential new clients. It's worked out pretty well since we've gotten this answering service, and they do actually contact us immediately upon you hanging up the phone. So I appreciate you bringing that up to potential clients, Doreen. And after the initial phone call, you'll have access to our private emails, and I give everyone my cell phone number. So we're pretty easy to contact, and we follow up with our clients, unlike some lawyers out there that don't, and we understand all about that. So we strive to give the best possible customer service that we can, knowing that you're in a situation where you're injured or there's something really bad going on in your life, and we do feel that pain with you. So we don't want to be any cause of strife or anxiety when we're trying to help you, and that's kind of how we work up here. Again, Brian and Doreen signing off from the Maitland office of Garfinkel Schwartz. Hope you have a good weekend, and I should be doing some videos upcoming in the near future. Thanks for your time.